A very good morning to my class 10th students. I hope you all are fine and doing good and studying SST. I am continuing with the chapter political parties. Yesterday I told you about the importance of opposition party and about the different national parties and how are national and state parties formed, the criteria of getting national and state party recognized. Today I am moving with another important part that is very common and that we very oftenly see during the election time, and we also recognize the political party by it. We normally see the symbols of political parties. Like we see the hand, we know that it is the symbol of Congress. We see the lotus and we know that it is the symbol of BJP. We see the elephant and we come to know that it is the symbol of Bahujan Samaj Party or the Mayawati. We see the bicycle and we come to know that Akhilesh Yadav is riding the bicycle. So there are different symbols, and how are these symbols important for the political parties and for the people we are going to read today. For the national political parties, permanent symbols election commission gives to them. As for the example, political parties like the Congress, the BJP, the CPM, the CPI and the BSP, they have permanent symbols. Their symbols cannot be changed. Means their symbols are fixed. Okay? Why symbols are allotted to political parties and why symbols are important for political parties? Let's see. There are three major things that we must understand why symbols are important for political parties. First of all, the majority of people in India are illiterate. They cannot read what is written, what is the name of the candidate, what is the name. But by seeing the hand, they come to know that it is the symbol of Congress. So the voter of Congress will come to know that in the ballot paper or in the electronic voting machine, whenever he will see, he will put his mark over there. Same is with BJP, same is with Hathi, okay, or the elephant. So with the help of symbols, a common man or an illiterate man can easily recognize. What second? Easily arrange their possessions and meetings to carry out proper street to it. It is also a symbol for the easy for the political parties. They can also propagate or publicize themselves. They can put the holdings of elephant, they can put the holdings, the posters of hand and lotus, and people can easily. If the political parties are not having the symbol, it will be very tough for them because different places, different symbols will be there. So how would people come to know that this candidate comes from which party? So it is very easy for the political parties. Third is that if there are two people or more than two people with the same name, it is very common that Mr. Anshul Verma is contesting an election and another Mr. Anshul Verma is also contesting the election. So the person who is contesting the election, the both will be differentiated from their symbols. Suppose one Mr. Anshul Verma is having the elephant, the other Mr. Anshul Verma is having the hand. So both can easily be differentiated. The supporters of both can easily find out whom they are voting. So symbols are very important for three major reasons which I am telling you. First is that the symbols, with the help of symbols, a common person and illiterate person can easily understand and vote for the party whom or he or she likes. Second, parties also find it very easy to publicize and to converse among public if they have a fixed election symbol. And third, people, if they are contesting the election and the people are having the same, two persons are having the same name, they can easily be differentiated on the basis of their political symbols. So symbols play a very important role in the life of political parties. Now I will tell you the symbols of some common parties, some common national parties. There are 7 national parties. First is Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP. The symbol is elephant. You must have seen. This party has a presence in Uttarakhand and in UP and in India also, where it is basically a party that is, the head of the party is Mayawati. BJP, Narendra Modi, the ruling party in Uttarakhand and the ruling party at center. Common, Lotus. Communist Party of India, CPI, the sickle and grass is the symbol. Marxist, Communist Party Marxist, we have sickle and hammer as the symbol. Then comes the oldest party of India, National Party of India, Indian National Congress. The symbol is hand. Nationalist Congress, basically Sharad Pawar's party from Maharashtra, and the symbol is clock. And AITC, All India Trinamool Congress, these इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस के ही पार्ट है, ये इससे ही निकले हैं, नेशनलिस्ट कांग्रेस पार्टी एंड तृणमूल कांग्रेस. दैट इज वाई कांग्रेस इसमें कॉमन है. ये शरद पवार भी पहले कांग्रेस के ही लीडर थे और ये ममता बनर्जी है, ये भी कांग्रेस की ही लीडर है वेस्ट बंगाल में जिनकी गवर्नमेंट है. सो कांग्रेस इसीलिए कॉमन है इसमें. सो इनके दोनों के अलग अलग सिंबल्स हैं. अब इन्होंने अपनी अलग पार्टी बना ली है. ओके, अब इन द नेक्स्ट video that is coming up, I am sharing with you the details of the different political parties.